Hi, it's Hannah, and for this video I'm partnering with 10 Free to show you how to get these cute pastel wavy rainbow nails. To prep, I'm starting with the 10 Free Sugar Polish Remover, which is a 3-in-1, so it removes polish, preps the nail surface, and conditions and hydrates. Plus, it's acetone free and derived from natural sugar. Then I'm going to apply one layer of the Prep with Peptides base coat. Now I'll be applying 2 coats of Golden Girl for the base color. What I really appreciate about 10 Free is that they're vegan, cruelty-free, plant-based, and non-toxic, so free of 22 harmful chemicals. Plus, all of their polishes and treatments are infused with a nail growth serum for longer, stronger, and healthier nails. And to top it off, the formula and wear is amazing. Metallics can be streaky, and as you can see with this one, it's not at all and applies really well. Once my base color has dried, I'm going to take Be Happy and a thin brush to draw a wavy line onto the nail. Then I'm going to thicken it a little bit. If you'd like to check out more from 10 Free, be sure to click the link in the description below and you can use my code HANNAHROCKSIT for 20% off. Alright, so I'll be doing the same thing with Everything is Peachy. And now with Oopsie Daisy. Again with Hey Bud, How's It Growing? And finishing up the rainbow with Hangin' with My Peeps. Finally, I'm going to apply the Pep in Your Step High Gloss Top Coat. And of course, I have to make sure to keep my nails hydrated, so I'm using the 10 Free Rose Cuticle Oil. So that's it for the design. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.